Top 7 Creative Valentine's Date Ideas for 2022. 1. Outdoor dancing. Okay, it's a little chilly, but that is half the fun. Right now is the time to shed your inhibitions and let loose on the dance floor. Find a fun spot with good music and get your groove on. Dance workouts are not only good for your mood, but they also help your brain and heart health too, so what better excuse could there be than to shake it up? But, if you're not in the social mood, a quiet spot in your fairy light garden and some music will work just as well. 2. Video game marathon. They say, the winner takes it all. We say, it's the game that counts. Playing video games with your partner isn't childish. In fact, it can evoke not only nostalgic feelings of teen years gone by, but also the drive to compete can be exciting too. So now is the best time to unleash your inner gamer and play to have fun. 3. Walk in the park. Sometimes, it's the simple things in life that matter most, and this classic date idea is a classic for a reason. Just grab a cup of something warm and take in the beautiful nature all around you. Not only is this soothing for the soul, but you'll also get some quality one-on-one time with your date. 4. Escape room. Never underestimate the power of teamwork. Not only will an escape room test your skills deduction, but it will also test how well you work together as a team. Have fun. You try to solve the clue and find the exit. We bet that by the end, you'll be laughing so much, you'll have forgotten how you got trapped in there in the first place. 5. Wine tasting. If a cultural evening is what you're after, this one is for you. Wine tasting is the perfect activity for those who like to explore the deeper qualities of their taste buds and, of course, sip a little wine too. Don't drink? Don't worry. You can always switch this activity up and try chocolate tasting, cheese tasting, and more. 6. Amusement park. Are you ready for the most excitement that you've ever had? Well, now is the time to get ready. Head to the amusement park to relive all those childhood memories, fun and magic while having a great time with your date. This wholesome activity keeps you entertained for hours as you try out all the rides and adventures the park has to offer. And don't forget to grab a tasty treat on your way out. 7. Pick and mix jar. The fun is in the draw and the choice is all yours. Before Valentine's Day, fill up the jar with all your date wishes. From riding a motorbike to doing a Valentine's date workout session to a weekend getaway to a night in and a movie and more, add it to the jar. Then when the big day rolls around, it's time to pick an activity to do with your partner. The best part? It'll be a surprise.